Can I get emergency cash from my life insurance? Have you ever wondered if your life insurance can help you out in a financial pinch? Many people think of life insurance as a safety net for their loved ones after they are gone. However, certain types of life insurance can actually provide emergency cash while you are still alive. This is especially useful for anyone focused on emergency financial planning. First, let's clarify the types of life insurance available. There are two main categories: term life insurance and permanent life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, but it does not build cash value. If you only have term life insurance, you cannot access any cash from it while you are alive. On the other hand, permanent life insurance, which includes whole life and universal life policies, builds cash value over time. This cash value can be a source of emergency funds. Now, let's discuss how you can access cash from a permanent life insurance policy. One option is through policy loans. You can borrow money against the cash value of your policy. This type of loan does not require a credit check, and there is no strict repayment schedule. However, keep in mind that any amount you borrow will be deducted from the death benefit if it is not repaid. You can continue using the policy as long as you pay the interest on the loan. Another way to access cash is through withdrawals. Some policies allow you to withdraw a portion of the cash value. Withdrawals up to the amount you have paid in premiums are typically tax-free. However, any amount above that may be subject to taxes. It is important to note that withdrawals will reduce both the cash value and the death benefit of your policy. If you find that you no longer need the coverage, you can surrender the policy. This means you will receive the remaining cash value, but it will end your coverage. You will get the cash value minus any fees or charges associated with the surrender. It is essential to understand that the cash value available is usually less than the death benefit. For example, if your policy has a death benefit of $50,000, you will not be able to cash out $50,000. The amount you can access depends on how much cash value has built up, which varies based on how long you have had the policy and how it is structured. From a financial preparedness standpoint, knowing how to access emergency cash from your life insurance can be a key part of your emergency financial planning. In times of crisis, having multiple options for quick cash can help cover unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or urgent home repairs. However, using your life insurance for emergency cash should be a thoughtful decision, as it can impact your death benefit and may have tax implications. If you have a permanent life insurance policy with cash value, you do have options for obtaining emergency cash. Understanding how these options work and their potential effects on your coverage and finances is a practical skill for managing emergencies.